traders, this is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P E-mini futures. Today is Friday, September 16th, 2011. The market opened up this morning at 1207.25. That's represented by this white dotted line. We do not usually trade from 9:30 until 9:45 Eastern Standard Time. It's just a period of high volatility and waiting to see what kind of confirmation we're going to get. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had a news event at 9:55 consumer sentiment, and generally we don't want to trade at least 3 minutes prior to that. So we kind of watched the market from 9:30 to 9:45 and then watched it again as it ran up in 9:52 time frame. Reached the highs at consumer confidence level and then sold off prior to the news report. It found support at the opening price. Then you have what's called divergence, lower low on price action, but we had higher low on our internal indicators. With that being said, the market moved in an upward direction, did not give us a substantial pullback for us to get long. However, when we finally did get an opportunity to get long, target 1 was hit and we got stopped out for -2 ticks. With that reversal, we found support again at the opening price, had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 13 ES ticks. The market then broke through opening price, found it as resistance, and continued to sell off. When the trades are in yellow, that means they're not necessarily valid trade setups, or we did not take them in the room. In this case, I took it in the room, but it was not a valid trade setup. We were going to see a bounce right there at around the 1202.50 area. We did not. Took a full stop out of -16 ticks. Market then continued on down, found support at the hourly range low for a bounce. Retracement, had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 9 ticks. And then going into the next no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 7 ticks. And then we have a no trade zone from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Coming out of the no trade zone, right there at the very opening of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 7 ticks. Again, this is another one we're not counting. This is a trade that I missed, but we are showing it for the purposes of practice when you review these videos at night with your own software. We then, again, opening price seemed to be a major area of contention today. We found resistance at opening price. Resistance again, pullback, and then broke through opening price for target 1 and target 2 for a total of 9 ticks. Sold off. Did not quite get back up to opening price. An opportunity to get short. In this particular case, we were in this trade, and I said, I don't like the way the indicators are looking, so we actually flattened or stopped ourselves out for a total of plus ES ticks. Now, if you followed it according to the trading plan without hitting your target 2, you would have had a reduced risk stop out, and I'm going to count this as a -2 for the video purposes, because if you were doing it on your own and you only have the trading manual and you're not in the Shark Den, you would have not seen the benefit of the 6 ticks. All in all, we had a great day. We had a total of 6 trades for 34 ES ticks. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great weekend.